Hi, bonjour. My name is Harry, and I am basically from Punjab, from India. And if I talk about my journey to Canada, so I had a great journey with the help of Paul Abraham Immigration Consulting, IELTS Learning, and they have helped me a lot during the course of this entire process. IELTS is one of the most important part during the course of permanent residency, especially when you talk about Canada. So IELTS, like Paul Abraham Immigration Consulting, has helped me a lot during the course of learning for IELTS, and it took me around like 3.5 months to complete the IELTS and get the required bands. And once again, if I would like to talk about Paul Abraham Immigration Consulting, they have appointed a manager whose name is Mark. He was quite helpful. And I would like to go ahead and thank Paul Abraham Immigration Consulting IELTS Learning that they have helped me a lot. And once again, a cheers and a thumbs up to them to complete my journey for permanent residency of Canada. And I would definitely recommend the same to others as well. Thank you.